In this video, I will show you how to change temporarily closed on Google Maps. To do this, what you want to do is just open up the Google browser and sign in to the Google account that is linked to your Google business profile. And then when you search for Google My Business, you will see something like this. So you manage these business profiles, and you can then click first on View Profile. And then from there, what you want to do is click Edit Profile. And now here go to Hours. And here you will have your hours. Now, if it says temporarily closed, that's because right here it is set to temporarily closed. So instead, you want to set it to either open with main hours, open with no main hours, or permanently closed. For example, say open with no main hours and then save. And then to actually get listed, you also need to verify some details. Now I've already done this. So now for me, it will no longer say temporarily closed. So that's how to change temporarily closed on Google Maps. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.